Hello students, today in this video we will learn trigonometric ratios of specific angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. First we will see trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. For that, let us consider a right angled triangle ABC. We will consider a right angled triangle ABC with angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle A is equal to 45 degree. So you know, since A is 45 degree, C is also 45 degree. Now for finding the trigonometric ratios, we need to know the length of the sides. So we will assume the side AB as A. Since in this triangle ABC, these two angles are equal, sides opposite to equal angles are also equal. So if AB is A, then we will get a BC is also A. Now we will find the third side AC using Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, which is equal to A square plus A square is equal to 2A square, when AC is equal to root of 2A square, that is root 2A. So we got all the three sides. Now we will define the trigonometric ratios. So first trigonometric ratio, sine 45 degree. So with respect to this angle, we will see. So sine 45 degree is opposite side. So opposite side is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So we got this hypotenuse as root 2A. So sine 45 is BC by AC. BC is A, side BC is A, and AC we got as root 2A. So A by root 2A. So the value is 1 by root 2. So sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Now we will go to the next trigonometric ratio, that is cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So BA by AC, BA is also A, so A by root 2A, so the answer is 1 by root 2. So sine and cos 45 degree both are 1 by root 2. Now we will go to tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is opposite side by adjacent side. So BC by BA, that is A by A, which is equal to 1. So we got the three trigonometric ratios. The next three ratios we can easily find because the next three ratios are the reciprocal of these three. So next is cosine 45 degree. So cosine 45 degree is 1 by sine 45 degree, which is equal to root 2 by 1. So the value of cosine 45 degree is root 2. The same way sin 45 degree is also 1 by reciprocal of cos. So 1 by cos 45 degree, that is also root 2. Then tan 45, cot 45 degree is the reciprocal of tan. So 1 by 1, that is cot 45 is equal to 1 degree. So we can find the trigonometric ratios of the specific angle 45. Now we will see the trigonometric ratios of angles 30 degree and 60 degree. So for that, let us consider an equilateral triangle. So for 30 degree, for finding the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree, let us consider an equilateral triangle ABC. We will consider an equilateral triangle ABC. So you know that angles are 60 degree. In an equilateral triangle, angles are 60 degree. Now you draw a perpendicular AD. Draw a perpendicular AD to the side BC. So we have drawn a perpendicular AD. Now you consider these two triangles, that is triangle ABD and triangle ACD. These two triangles, if you consider, this angle is 90 degree. Both the triangle, angle ADB and angle ADC are 90 degree. And AB and AC hypotenuse, these two sides are equal. since it is an equilateral triangle, and AD is the common side. So these two triangles are congruent using RHS congruence criteria. So these two triangles are congruent. So we can write BD is equal to DC by CPCT. The same way these two angles are also equal. That is angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. This is also equal by CPCT. But we know this full angle A is 60 degree. So this will be 30 degree and this angle also 30 degree. Now we will consider the right angled triangle ADB. We will consider only the right angled triangle ADB. Here we have angle D is 90 degree, angle B is 60 degree, angle A is equal to 30 degree. Now we will find out the trigonometric ratios of these two angles 30 degree and 60 degree. But we need to know the length of the three sides. So we will take the side of the equilateral triangle AB as 2A. We will consider, we will take AB, side AB as 2A. So we know that this BC is also 2A because it is an equilateral triangle. So if AB is 2A, the side BC is also 2A. But we know that BD and DC are equal. So BD will be 2A by 2, that is A. Half of BC, that is A. Now we will find this AD length. So we have taken AB as 2A, BD we got as A. Now we have to find the third side AD, which we can find out using Pythagoras theorem. So AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. So AB is 2A, so 2A square minus BD is A. So A square, that is 4 square minus A square equal to 3A square. So AD is root 3A square, which is equal to root 3A. So we got the third side AD as root 3A. Now we are going to find the trigonometric ratios based on this triangle. We got all the three sides. So first let us consider angle B with respect to angle B, because angle B is 60 degree. With respect to angle B, we will find out sin 60 degree. Sin 60 is opposite side by hypotenuse. So root 3, opposite side here is root 3A, hypotenuse AB is 2A. So the answer is root 3 by 2. Next, cos 60. Cos 60 degree is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BD. So that is A by hypotenuse 2A. So when it get cancelled, we will get 1 by 2. So cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Now tan 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to, we will see opposite by adjacent side. So opposite side is root 3A by adjacent side is A. So the answer is root 3. So we got sin 60, cos 60, tan 60. So we will find out the remaining ratios. Cosec 60 degree is the reciprocal of this, that is 2 by root 3. Sec 60 degree is the reciprocal of cos 60, that is 2. And cot 60 degree is the reciprocal of tan, that is 1 by root 3. So we got the trigonometric ratios of angle 60 degree. Now we will consider this angle A, that is 30 degree. With respect to angle A, we will find out the trigonometric ratios. So sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree means we are considering this angle. So with respect to this angle, this side will be opposite side and this side will be adjacent side. So sin 30 degree is equal to BD, that is A by hypotenuse 2A. So the answer is 1 by 2. Now cos 30 degree is adjacent side. Adjacent side is root 3A by hypotenuse 2A. So we will get root 3 by 2. After cancellation, we will get root 3 by 2. Now tan 30 degree is opposite side by adjacent side, that is root 3A. After cancellation, we will get as 1 by root 3. Now the remaining ratios, cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree is the reciprocal of sine, that is 2. Sec 30 degree is the reciprocal of cos, which is equal to 2 by root 3. And cot 30 degree is the reciprocal of tan, which is equal to root 3. So we can define the trigonometric ratios of the angles 30 degree and 60 degree. Now we will see the trigonometric ratios of the angles 0 degree and 90 degree. So we will consider the specific angle 0 degree and 90 degree. So we have a right angled triangle ABC. So let us see what happens if this angle is 0 degree. So this acute angle, when A gets smaller and smaller and till we get a 0 degree, what happens we will see. So first you imagine if A is getting very close to 0 degree, so if A is getting closer, then the side BC, this BC will reduces and C is getting closer to B. And again, if you consider the next case, when A is very close to 0, when A is very close to 0, in that case, when A gets closer and closer to 0, the C becomes very close to B and the side AC will be equal to same as AB. Now we will define sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree, you know, sine 0 is according to this angle. A is now very close to 0. So according to this angle, this side. So when A is very close to 0, this point C is very close to B. So this side BC is almost 0. So the opposite side is actually BC, which is BC by adjacent, hypotenuse is AC. So BC side, since C coincide with the B, we will get a BC as 0. So 0 by AC. So sine 0 is 0 degree. Now we will see cos 0 degree. Cos 0 is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. When A gets closer and closer to 0, the side AC and AB will be almost same. So we will be getting AB by AC, but AB and AC are almost same. So we will get cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Now tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree is opposite side is nothing but BC by adjacent side is AB. So BC by AB, with the same argument, we know C is very close to B. So this side BC is almost 0. So 0 by AB. So tan 0 is 0 degree. 0. So since we got sine, cos and tan, we can define the remaining trigonometric ratios. Cosec 0. Cosec 0 is the reciprocal of sine. So reciprocal of sine means 0 by 1, that is 1 by 0, which is not defined. Sec 0. Sec 0 is the reciprocal of cos. So we will write 1 by 1, that is 1. Then tan 0. Cot 0 is the reciprocal of tan. Here tan 0 we got a 0, that is 0 by 1. When you take the reciprocal, we will get 1 by 0, which is not defined. So we can find the trigonometric ratios of special angle 0 degree. The same way we will see what will happen if A becomes larger and larger and almost equal to 90 degree. We will see now. So we will consider the right angle triangle ABC. Now if you see, if A gets larger and larger, it will go very close to B. That is, the side BC decreases and A will approaches to B. So we will be seeing the next case. So finally, suppose A is very close to B. If it is very close to B, then A will become 90 degree. If it is very close to B, A becomes 90 degree, and what will happen? The side AC and BC become same. The side AC and BC become same, and AB becomes 0. The side AB becomes 0 and AC and BC becomes almost the same. Now we will define the trigonometric ratios with respect to A, which is almost equal to 90 degree. So sine 90 degree. Sine 90 degree means opposite side by hypotenuse. So with respect to this angle, this side BC is the opposite side and the hypotenuse is AC. When A becomes close to 90 degree, this AC and BC are same, almost the same. So we can write as BC by AC, which are both are almost the same. So we will get sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Now we will see cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB here, AB by AC. When A becomes 90 degree, this A and B will coincide. So this side is almost 0, AB is almost 0. So side cos 90 is 0. Now we will see tan 90 degree. So tan 90 degree, if you see here, tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So opposite is BC by adjacent is AB. So BC by AB, I already told AB is almost 0 now. When A becomes 90 degree, the side AB is almost 0. So this is not defined. BC by 0. So tan 90 is not defined. Now we will see the remaining trigonometric ratios. Cosec 90. Cosec 90 is the reciprocal of sine, so it is 1. And sec 90 degree is the reciprocal of cos. Cos is 0, so this is a 1 by 0, that is not defined. And cot 90 degree. Cot 90 degree is equal to reciprocal of tan. That is 0 by BC. That is 0 by BC, which is equal to 0. So we can define the trigonometric ratios of specific angle 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Thank you, students.